Is your iPhone apps outdated? Keeping your apps updated gives you the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. Here's how to update all apps on your iPhone in just a few taps. First, update your apps manually. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Available Updates section. If you only want to update one app, tap Update next to its name. But if you want to update everything at once, tap Update All at the top of the list. Your iPhone will begin downloading and installing all available app updates automatically. If you don't see any apps listed, that means all your apps are already up to date. Now, let's turn on automatic app updates. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps, then select App Store. Under the Automatic Download section, turn on App Updates. From now on, your iPhone will automatically download and install app updates in the background whenever new versions become available.